We're talking about frigid conditions on this Thursday morning, and temperatures right now in Lima at 16. We have 14 in Ottawa, 17 in Findlay, reporting clear skies. So at least we'll have the sunshine on our side today. Plenty of sunshine expected, so grab the sunglasses, but grab as many layers as you can. The heavy, big coat definitely needed for us today. The beanie, the gloves, everything here when it comes to the winter gear. Temperatures feel like 7 with that light wind out there this morning. Many spots, as you can see, wind chills below 10 degrees for many of us here. As we look at your forecast for us today, again, the sunshine will be with us. A few clouds out there at times as we head through the afternoon. Temperatures start off around 15 at 8 o'clock, 22 by noon, and we're not going to warm up a whole lot more after that. We'll see temperatures at 23 by 4 p.m. with those north winds around 10 miles per hour, making it feel about 10 degrees colder than what the actual thermometer says. As we head into tonight, the weather stays nice and quiet. We'll see partly cloudy to eventually mostly clear skies. It looks like heading into tomorrow morning, numbers down around 10 degrees, but I do think a few spots will actually work their way into the single digits for actual temperatures tomorrow morning. And as we make our way through tomorrow, a mostly sunny sky expected, so very quiet into the week. Temperatures on Friday once again struggling. We'll see highs in the lower to mid 20s. Not quite as much wind around tomorrow, so the wind chills will be minimal as we head throughout the day tomorrow. And we're going to keep the quiet weather around through Saturday. A weak system will give us a chance for some snow showers on Sunday. Could bring us less than an inch of snow. And then looking ahead to next week, we'll have another clipper coming down towards Monday into Tuesday. Working its way across the Great Lakes. It looks like we could warm up briefly ahead of that on Monday. That's our warmest day in the forecast. But we notice next week, this is Monday night at 12 a.m., we see a system down along the Gulf Coast and that clipper moving through the Great Lakes. Some of the models want to kind of merge these systems together, and if those two systems would decide to become friends and join together, then we would see a much larger system, and that would make things a little more interesting as far as any wintry weather next week. But right now, the most likely scenario here is that they stay separate. And as long as that is the case, then we're just going to get perhaps some light snow at best by Monday night into Tuesday, and it wouldn't be anything of real significance here. But it does look like another surge of Arctic air behind that system, regardless of what happens by Wednesday of next week. Looks like some very cold weather once again working in. So we have this cold and fairly dry weather pattern. It's taking place here over the next week or so through the late part of this month. However, there are signs of the pattern starting to change a bit heading into early February. It looks like the jet stream will start to orient itself a little bit more over our area here with more of a moist flow working in. So it looks like we'll become more active but also warmer for the early part of February, which could mean we're kind of on the borderline here, possibly between rain and snow systems for the early half of February. But that's also a pattern that can give us winter storms if the cold air can be strong enough in place. But again, the story over the next week is the cold. I do want to let you know Sunday we could see less than an inch of snowfall across the area with that system. More snow showers Monday night, and then cold weather reinforces itself by the middle of next week.